Risko Funk.
What up, internet? It's Risko Funk, and we're back in Ableton. Today I want to sample my voice. I meant to do it in the last video, but I found a really crazy sample that I just had to use, so I didn't wind up doing any kind of vocals. But today I think I want to make a choir. I don't know exactly how I'm going to do it, but I kind of have an idea. I think what I want to do is I'm just going to sing notes. There's 12 notes in an octave, and I think if maybe I sing every 3 notes and cover maybe like 2 octaves, if I can, I could probably make a choir. So let's see what we can do. I've never done this before, so I might even take a break to watch a tutorial on how to do this. And then once I figure it out, I'll probably make a tutorial for you guys. So let's try it out. Let's see what we can do. I'm kind of excited to do this. All right, so we're gonna do the C scale, C major. Just gonna hold my mic here and excuse these bad vocals. I'm gonna fix it later. Let me warm up. That tea is cold. Don't move me, I'm struggling. Close enough. Alright, so now I'm gonna chop up the ones that sound decent, throw some auto-tune on them, and make a sampler with all these notes. Alright, so now we chop. Auto-tune, work your magic, please. Alright, little waves tune action. Let's see what it do. Select all, clear. Alright, now. Now I'm gonna sample that and chop that up now that the notes are corrected. And I'm gonna try to make like a sampler instrument out of it. Alright, so from track 22, we're selecting track 21 because that's where I have the vocals recorded. So this is going to record everything from track 21 and then we'll have something to chop up. So let's see how it goes. Alright, cool. Now we're going to chop that up. Alright, we're back. Make this a sampler. Now, I have no idea what I'm doing here. Let's do this, just in case. 1, 2. Alright. So start everything at C2. 1, 2, 3. Or we'll just start everything here. Select these. Oh, nice. Okay, this is where I gotta watch a tutorial, so I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so I figured out the choir. I didn't need to see a YouTube tutorial for this. I wound up just kind of tinkering around till I found out. So what you want to do is how I have these notes that I wish I could zoom in, but I can't. But each one of these notes spans 3 notes. As you can see, that's from C2 to D2, on and on and on and on, right? The thing is, you can place these wherever you want. You can highlight all these notes and move them around to wherever you want them to be on your keyboard. I just have them here at C2 because it's right in the center of my keyboard. It works. So that's where I wanted that. But what you want to do is you want to tell Ableton where that note is that you were singing. So I sang a C2 on what I now have as C2. That's going to determine what notes come after, as well as what note's going to play when you hit the key. So if I was going to change this to, let's say, B0, it changes the tone of that completely. That's not the note that I sang. So I need to bring this up, and that's my natural voice. Well, I mean, waves tune. But anyway, so you want to make sure that you have the root note set properly. That way everything else falls into place. And that's it. I mean, I guess we could kind of make something with this and see where it goes. Let's just see what happens. So yeah, that was pretty fun. The choir works. I'll probably make some other ones in the future. Now that I know how to do it, I hope you guys learned how to do this. So if you ever want to build an instrument of any kind, it doesn't have to be a choir. As long as you know the root note of what that sample is, you can set it and you can map it across your keyboard and play it however you want. And play this beat and we'll get out of here.